AAATEX.com. AAATEX.com.
Welcome to our short video on how to import IIF files into QuickBooks Online. In this case, we are going to try to import an invoice. As you will see, we already have QuickBooks up, and clicking on the magnifying glass, you'll see the recent transactions. And the last ones that we did with our importer was the deposit, previously a journal entry. Now we're going to do an invoice. After you install the program on your Windows PC, it will create a shortcut right on it, as you can see in the upper right hand corner. I'm going to double click on it. It has already been activated and so forth, and those are on other videos on how to do that, but it's be via the help activate menu. It takes a few seconds just to start up, and then all you need to do is to select the file, and you can just browse to wherever it is. You can also drag and drop it. I'm going to click on sample invoice, click on import. This is saying that this is the file to be imported, and it is saying that that file was imported previously because we did test it just a few seconds ago. I'm going to click on yes. In our status screen, you'll see the progress completed. Now if we go and refresh the recent transactions in QuickBooks, you will see it there. Here is the invoice. Double clicking on it in QuickBooks Online, and you can see it there. This is a test invoice, so there's nothing very important in it, but you can see just how it works, how simple it is. That's it. That's all you need to do in our IIF importer for QuickBooks Online. We also have other programs for different file types like CSV, Excel files, and we also support the same types of programs for QuickBooks Desktop. Thank you for watching our short video on importing IIF files into QuickBooks Online, and in this case it was invoices.